In today's fast-paced world, many people are seeking ways to transform their passions into profitable ventures. This video is designed to guide you through the exciting journey of turning your hobby into a thriving business. Whether you love crafting, cooking, photography, or any other pastime, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. Our purpose here is to help you monetize your hobbies, allowing you to not only enjoy what you love but also earn a living from it. Imagine waking up every day, excited to work on something that truly inspires you, while also achieving financial independence. Entrepreneurship offers the chance to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and create a lifestyle that aligns with your passions. In this video, we'll share easy and actionable methods that can help you kickstart your journey. From identifying your niche to marketing your products or services, we'll cover everything you need to know. Get ready to unleash your creativity and explore the potential of turning your hobby into a successful business venture. Step 1. Identify your hobby and assess its market potential. The first step in turning your hobby into a business is to identify which of your interests can be monetized. Popular hobbies that have proven to be profitable include photography, crafting, gardening, and even baking. Each of these activities not only brings joy, but also has a market eager for unique products and services. Once you've pinpointed your hobby, it's crucial to research its market demand. Utilize online platforms like Etsy, eBay, or social media to gauge interest and see what similar offerings are available. Look for trends, customer reviews, and pricing strategies to understand how you can position yourself effectively. Additionally, evaluate your skills and passion for the hobby. Ask yourself if you can sustain your enthusiasm over the long term. A successful business requires dedication, so it's essential to choose something you genuinely love. By combining your interests with market research, you'll be well on your way to creating a business that not only fulfills you but also meets the needs of potential customers. This foundational step sets the stage for your entrepreneurial journey. Step 2. Define your target audience. Defining your target audience is a crucial step in turning your hobby into a successful business. Start by identifying who would be interested in your hobby-related products or services. Consider demographics such as age, gender, location, and interests. For instance, if you're into crafting, your audience might include DIY enthusiasts, parents looking for unique gifts, or even event planners seeking custom decorations. Next, create a customer persona to better understand their needs and preferences. This persona should encapsulate your ideal customer's characteristics, including their buying habits, challenges, and what they value most. By visualizing your audience, you can tailor your offerings to meet their specific desires. Utilizing social media is another effective way to gauge interest and gather feedback. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can provide insights into what resonates with potential customers. Engage with your audience through polls, comments, and direct messages to learn more about their preferences. This interaction not only helps refine your products, but also builds a community around your brand. Understanding your target audience is key to creating a successful business that truly connects with its customers. Step 3. Develop a business plan. Creating a solid business plan is essential for turning your hobby into a successful venture. Start by outlining your business goals, including specific financial targets and timelines. Determine how much revenue you aim to generate in the first year and set milestones to track your progress. This clarity will keep you focused and motivated as you navigate your entrepreneurial journey. Next, detail your product or service offerings. Clearly define what you will sell and how it stands out from the competition. Consider your pricing strategy carefully. It should reflect the value of your offerings while remaining competitive in the market. Research similar products to find a price point that attracts customers while ensuring profitability. Finally, include marketing strategies to effectively reach your target audience. Identify the channels where your audience spends their time, whether it's social media, email newsletters, or local events. Develop a content plan that engages potential customers and showcases your expertise. By having a comprehensive business plan, you'll not only clarify your vision, but also create a roadmap that guides you toward achieving your goals and building a successful business around your passion. Step 4. Set up your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is vital for the success of your hobby-based business. Start by choosing a platform to sell your products. Popular options like Etsy and Shopify cater to different needs. Etsy is great for handmade and unique items, while Shopify offers more customization for a broader range of products. Select the platform that aligns best with your business model. Next, create social media accounts to promote your hobby business. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are excellent for showcasing your products and engaging with potential customers. Share high-quality images, behind-the-scenes content, and customer testimonials to build a community around your brand. Consistent interaction with your audience will help foster loyalty and interest. Finally, design a simple yet attractive website or online store to showcase your offerings. Your website should reflect your brand's personality and make it easy for visitors to navigate. Include essential information such as product descriptions, pricing, and contact details. A well-designed online presence not only enhances credibility, but also serves as a central hub for your marketing efforts, making it easier for customers to discover and purchase your products. Step 5. Market your hobby business. Marketing your hobby business effectively is crucial for attracting customers and driving sales. Start by utilizing social media marketing to reach a wider audience. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok allow you to showcase your products visually and connect with potential customers. Regularly post engaging content that highlights your offerings, shares customer stories, and provides insights into your creative process. Engaging with potential customers through content creation is another powerful strategy. Consider starting a blog or creating videos that relate to your hobby. This could include tutorials, tips, or behind-the-scenes looks at your work. Valuable content not only establishes you as an expert in your field, but also helps build a loyal community around your brand. Additionally, consider paid advertising options to boost visibility and sales. Platforms like Facebook and Google Ads allow you to target specific demographics, ensuring your ads reach the right audience. Experiment with different ad formats and messages to see what resonates best. By combining social media marketing, engaging content, and targeted advertising, you'll create a comprehensive marketing strategy that drives growth and elevates your hobby business to new heights. Step 6. Monitor progress and adapt. Monitoring your progress and adapting to changes is essential for the long-term success of your hobby business. Start by tracking sales and customer feedback to assess your business performance. Use analytics tools provided by your sales platform and social media to gain insights into what products are performing well and which areas may need improvement. Customer reviews and feedback can offer valuable perspectives on how your offerings are perceived. Being open to making changes based on market trends and customer needs is crucial. The business landscape constantly evolves, and staying attuned to these shifts can help you remain competitive. Regularly assess your market and be willing to pivot your strategies or product offerings as necessary. Additionally, continuously improving your products and marketing strategies will keep your business fresh and appealing. Experiment with new designs, features, or promotional tactics to see what resonates with your audience. By fostering a mindset of adaptability and growth, you'll not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also position your hobby business for sustained success in an ever-changing marketplace. Embrace the journey of learning and evolving as you grow your entrepreneurial venture, turning your hobby into a business. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to transform your hobby into a successful business. Taking action is crucial in this journey. The more committed you are to your goals, the more likely you are to succeed. Remember, every great business starts with a single step, so don't hesitate to dive in and begin your entrepreneurial adventure. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on turning your passions into profits. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be interested in monetizing their hobbies. Together, we can inspire each other to pursue our dreams and create thriving businesses from what we love. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your journey. If you would like to know more about making money online, click on our free training video below. This video has changed the lives of many students, and you could be next.